Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Shimi's Kitchen with me, Shumaila. Let's make spicy grilled chicken. The ingredients are easy to find and it's such a flavorful chicken marinade recipe. And I'm not going to grill this, I'm going to cook this chicken in a pan. So let's see the process. In a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce or tomato puree, 1/4 cup oil, 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Combine all the ingredients. Now make deep cuts on chicken as directed. Toss the marinade with the chicken and set aside for 4 to 5 hours. And now give charcoal smoke. Close the lid and leave it for 10 minutes. Next step is to shallow fry the marinated chicken. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Place the marinated chicken. Now fry 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Add little water if you want, just to make the chicken tender. Once it absorbs, then pour some more oil and fry. You can also bake. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grill it for 40 to 45 minutes. And now it's ready to serve. Serve hot with some sliced onions, mayonnaise and lemon wedges. This chicken is a must-have recipe. It's just good as what you would get at an Indian restaurant and it's so easy to make. It was an amazing dish. Try this and let me know how it turned out for you. I would love to hear about your experience, and if you snap some shots of it, share it with me on my Instagram page shimis.kitchen so that I can repost on my stories, and subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.